I'm going to show you how to assemble the A4 patterns. The difference between the letter size and the A4 is the A4 will print with a line across the top going horizontally. The letter, you won't see that. The reason why is A4 paper is longer than letter. So when you are going across, you will line up to the dotted line. You want to go right up to, but not over that dotted line. So I've done this whole row here, and then I'm going to start on the next row, and that's where this line comes into play. You can either trim that off, or you can just overlap it so it overlaps on top of the solid line on the bottom. The solid line here is for both A4 and letter. So you can either trim it off, or you can line it up by just like, you can hold it to a window if you're having trouble seeing, and just do it that way. I'll trim off the next one and show you how that. So now I would just line this up to the solid line on the bottom. And then also the dotted line on the side. And there we go. And then everything matches up really nicely. So that is the key, is either this solid line that you get at the top when you're printing A4 will match up to this line on the bottom. You can trim it off, or you can just lay it over and just kind of look through the pages to make sure it works. So. Sometimes it can be kind of hard to see, so you might actually find it more easier just to trim that off. But it's up to you, however you want to do it. And just make sure everything is lining up well. And there you go.